Hi, gardeners. Hey, I pulled this tree out of my front yard today, and I'm going to give it to a friend. We're going to go to our new place tonight, and we're going to get the keys, and we're going to meet the previous owners. And they're moving to a really nice new house, so I wanted to give them a housewarming gift of a dogwood tree. Now, I hear they got close to an acre over there, so there'll be plenty of room for this tree to grow. And we have a beautiful one in our yard. It just has the beautifulest white flowers on it every year. I'm so excited for her to have this. Now, it's a little bit big for the pot, but it's got some suckers hanging off of it. So I'm just going to cut that biggest tree off, and then those little suckers will grow into nice little trees. And she'll have to, pick the best one and, clip the other one away. But for now, she's got a real nice dogwood tree that'll grow in her yard and become real pretty. So we'll just give it a good old soak down and hope for the best. I think it'll be all right. Well, there she is. Such as it is. Hopefully it'll survive. All right, let's learn together, guys.